So this is the future of Jamaica. Manchester.
No, you're gone if you keep it.
Tick spray Bolton. Time now grass.
You know, come out of the park. That's why I'm saying I'm looking here and pick out them yourself to so right time. You spray now. You want for that.
2 month Irish potato. Now how much it's per pound?
Irish?
Yeah.
It all depends, you know. I know Irish, you know, the price of things go up and they go back down, you know? So it all depends when it's ready.
Yeah.
The price on it. We can't really say it like right now. Why price right now? Until it's ready. Check out the price.
Yeah. So you plant all of this?
Yeah, man.
Did you need a tractor?
Yeah, we get a tractor and do it, you know. Get a tractor and do it.
Okay. So you how do you plant Irish? Is it the seed or
Yeah, by the seed.
stem?
By the seed?
The seed.
Yeah. I get the Irish itself.
Uh-huh.
You know? And put it in the row. Put them one about a foot apart. Every foot. Every foot I put them. I put Irish. As you can see it, at least a foot apart.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you fertilize them.
Then I fertilize the land before. Fertilize fowl shit and everything.
False shit. You use
Fowl
false.
doodle.
You know use the one that you buy?
No, I use fertilizer, you know. But I use the both of them in it. I use the fertilizer, I buy the fertilizer and use it. And use the fowl manure. Yeah.
Yes, I.
Plow it up in the land, tow it up. Yeah, man.
29 years old. How many years you been doing it?
Right now, I do this for about 9 years or 8 years.
Good. And you love it?
I love it, man.
Your girlfriend loves it?
Everybody love it and like what I'm doing.
And she help you plant when she come down?
Yeah.
Good.
Good. I walk with him all over in the bush, you know? Yeah.
So this is Farmer Bolton, Manchester. And where are we now?
Right now in Blenheim.
Blenheim?
Yeah, South Manchester. Blenheim, South Manchester.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And your parents have been doing this with you?
Yeah, I grew up and see my parents do farming, you know? Yeah, so I just take it up as my, you know?
And what's your favorite thing to plant?
Plant sweet potato.
Why?
I don't know, but I just sweet potato. I don't know. You see, sweet potato, I don't take a lot of spray, like the Irish.
Yeah.
You just plant it and know so you keep it clean and you get a 2 spray or 1 spray until it's ready.
Is there anything organic you could use instead of pesticide?
Organic, yeah.
Spray.
Spray. Like
something that is not toxic to the system.
To the system. Not what I know of.
Okay. There's a man in St. Elizabeth that makes the fever grass with pepper and oil.
Yeah.
So I'll introduce you to him in St. Elizabeth. Yes. He has 40 acres and he has seedlings too. Okay. And he has a nursery.
Okay. Yeah, because I would like to, you know?
Total organic.
Okay. Total organic.
Yes,
total
Yes,
I.
Yes. Exactly, for the future.
Yeah, natural. Natural.
So this is the wait there. How full grown that?
Up there, so. What next?
Bridging.
The bridging there.
Oh.
The right back over something. I can't go show you all going on, man. But I feel like this is also Irish, but the Irish just start bust out if you look when it comes.
More Irish potato.
Yeah.
This is Bolt. And what's the name of your farm?
Right now, like you know, so I don't really name it. I don't really name it.
Okay.
Yeah, I just have my farm them, you know. I have this you don't know.
Irish potato.
Irish potato. Somebody say this is an Irish farm.
Okay.
You know? Down there says the sweet potato farm.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't really give them no special name.
So it's really the Bolt farm. Wow. So in the morning you come and you clean up on thing. What do you think about his farm so far, Gaza? General Gaza, what do you think about his farm now that you're...
It's a good look, man. Irish and an easy thing to take care of, you know. We like your farm, man. We like the Irish. Well groomed, you see?
Well groomed.
Yeah, we know we have to, you know, you can see say well fertile, you know.
Yeah, man. You see fertilizer? A beer fertilizer them here, you know. Yeah, man. Uplifter. Be uplifter, my friend. This is the wrong come to one there with them. And probably there with the pass with you. So it just starts spring back off little. That's all. My beer.
You have potato in our gum, man.
Eh?
Potato in our gum.
What? Potato and beer, man. Come here. Rat go on terrible too, you know. It's young though, you know.
Nice.
So you just want some more swelling.
Okay.
Then I reap, you know. Yeah, man. I uplift the man, no matter you see them beer. No matter you see them. Have on too. Yeah, man, I uplift the man, no matter you see them. You know, alright, look here. You say you have to crack up. You crack up, man. Me tell you, no, man. We up this way, you look on the top of the thing.
Those are all your potatoes. That's why they call them both. This is all Irish potato. I know everything over there, sir. So you spend a lot of money to deal with this. So give me an estimate when you plant it. How many? This is a half a acre Irish?
This year, right here, so this is not catch half or quarter. This even catch quarter, it's just a square now. Yeah, this is just a square. It's a little square out of Irish.
But what costs you most of the money?
The Irish seed. You see the Irish seed is very dear now.
Them can ship it from abroad?
Yeah, the Irish ship come here now.
The seeds?
The seeds ship come here now, but when they come here, very dear. $6,000 a bag.
6,000 a bag.
A bag.
And how much can a bag plant? Like something like this?
One bag. One bag can plant half of this.
Okay.
One bag of Irish seed just plant maybe one row.
So basically, if someone want to help you, them just give you a lot of Irish seeds.
Oh God, man.
Then can just send it to you.
We get a lot of Irish seed. That'd be a lot.
Alright, the fans them are going to buy them and I go link them with you.
Yeah.
Because we see what I do. Because if I do seeds you get for free, you're good.
Yeah. That's about a lot.
It saves the money.
You see, a lot. Help you buy the spray.
Yeah.
I think we take care of it.
Got it. Whatever we can do to help you. So fans, if you want to ship a barrel with seeds, Irish seeds, and so basically you know, no hang out a road, you know.
You see, certain time of night, I have to go in because I have to wake up early morning time.
Okay.
You know, so I left early last night.
Yeah.
Because I have to let the whole lot just go. I have to wake
So you want to do this?
Yeah, me alone plant this agro. Me alone drop it and cut the slip and drop it.
Let me have a come race with you because I know I can do better than this. Now tell you how I'm moving, brother.
Quickest. When me tell you, say, I jam, slip and move. Jam. Why you sleep? I can't believe it. I tell you.
I just said that. Because me part of this race too, you know. People, don't call me out with me slip planting, you know. You see that when you don't plant good, make me fix it. You see when I want to be here, make sure you know my money. Me help out. Yeah man, Bolt. See?
Just say it up. That's spray. Never grow back.
Beside.
The root never grow till next month.
The next week or 2 weeks. I know you come from one point and then different.
You won. How long did it take you to like say do this?
Plant here.
Yeah.
Can't get more than 1 day.
A what?
1 day.
A day?
A plant and this alone is a 3/4 in charge. Half acre, a quarter acre. Me just give him 18,000 still. 18,000 and he cut it up.
So if you had the tractor,
No boat, no move, it's stone them out type, man. That's the same
You know, so my hand broke with you. Slide on my hand broke, man. Pressure myself to come down.
you must stop eat pork, brother. Pork make your bone weak.
What make your boy away?
Yeah, man.
How much man, me say if you're not say, yo, don't sit and chat. No, brother, yo.
So, boat, tell me about this plastic in your boat. Come and see,
Plastic. Well, the plastic, you know, the plastic and my sock, yeah, we call it so. Because every time I put on the water boat, I put it on, it's tight. So you see, the plastic can put on easily sliding.
Okay.
And me do say, don't make
Okay. Okay.
So when I take it off, we don't have a problem to take it off. Just easily slide out.
Okay, God. So you also buy this?
Buy the fowl manure. Clarendon.
Yeah.
Clarendon, I go buy them.
Wow, all of this. You won. You said 1 day. 1 day. 1 day.
1 day. Yeah.
Well, yeah, this is real serious. I'll fold that over there, sir. Okay. Alright. So where you go now? Oh, Gungle, yeah, sir. But you guys are talking about farming, all I see is a party. All I see is a party, you know? Girls playing volleyball, you know? That's all I see, you know? Look at the sunrise. Look at the sunrise this morning, you know? I'll bring the girls with the music. You guys keep farming. Yeah, man, the land. We love the land, look, you know? Cool. Look for them two soldiers, yeah? I've come to New York. You want orange sucker, man? I know the money now. Just 4 years, man. 4 years, man. No, man, you should put them down when you're 20. See, people never tell you, know. There's two kind of farming, you know. Trees and, you know, the next thing. Never too late.
Because I jump lunch and everything I have there beer. I'm in for no man plant, I just plant them and have beer. So not too late, you know.
It's too late when you don't get a chance.
Yeah, too late, that's why I plant up. That's why I plant up. You see first jump lunch you plant a lime tree. You plant a yan. And such get it them so I'm pregnant.
Yeah, this place, yo, that place is beautiful, man. The place beautiful, Bolton. Listen to God, that's why I wear my tights, you know. You know, if I said tights, if I said that's why I wear my warrior pants, you know. Yeah. We're proud of it, man. Wanna make Jamaica proud. Wanna make the. Bolt.
Bolt.
This one I'm putting right here, so I eat bag of Irish to this a piece.
Congo paste, raw, 8.
Find this one else, stretcher.
Yeah, man. Come in, Daddy. Let me show you my little
I forget serious. I forget my game, you know. I like compete with people, you know.
I white put it that I sit in I just see the color of it.
Just some lights and working at the night. Raincoat.
I want about a year or so what we see.
You two don't hardly buy.
Yeah, you really plant it.
Look at what that man. Come in, John. Look at what this side.
Well, can't Airbnb it.
Nobody can see this.
Nobody can. Look at that. I'm ready to go.
Okay, when the rain fall and thing. The water.
Mix and spray.
Just mix and spray. More time you just come. I have it on them and everything. And just spray.
See that is the chemical right there.
So how do you protect yourself when you're spraying?
Protect. Me have one mask, you know, me have like one of the something there.
Mm-hmm.
Me have the face mask, the hat. So
Yeah.
I haul over your head fully.
Yeah.
I haul it up over my nose.
And do you go back on the ground when you spray?
And the
Like
ground,
you time yourself like a day after or 2 days after. I know the fume's still there, you know.
going to ground right through.
After you spray?
After we spray. We can't really tap, you know, that you don't really do nothing. So we have to get the thing deal.
So I'll get some videos for you.
Yeah, man, this
Because the people them online are complain when them so no. Like when you don't really protect on yourself. We get about 10 comments say, yo, what happened to them youth them and them now protect themselves. Because my uncle a farm for 60 years and developed cancer. So everything I do with chemical, you can get cancer for it if you don't handle it right.
This is the thick spray, you know. And this is, you know, Gaza.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the thick spray. We have everything, man. That's how we do it, you know, man. We don't really play around.
Okay. But just protect yourself, you know?
Protect yourself. Yeah, man. It's going good and nice. Everything there.
Sunrise.
And this is a ground love, you know. The sunrise, I can rise up.
Yeah.
I'll lick this side.
Thanks to Jason for introducing us to Bolt. You know, say, I call Jason, I never did I go wake up, you know. I call me, you know. But the video. You see me coming tired, so me asleep.
Yeah.
And him say, yo.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
This is one of I sit on Sharon and I talk about the work every day. You see him reach 10 o'clock and when him I beat them there was him sleep. When everybody say okay na day.
When you see nice drum, you know they have a nice little crack like this when you find it, you can't believe it. Look at rain when you fall. At the before you see them, as you can see, we just done weed and mold, it's not even 2 days. Just done.
We're proud of you, man. We're proud of you.
I walk.
So anybody want farm now come learn the thing, just team up with you now.
Yeah, man. This guy them come from it, they see what is what. We never scared.
You see my crush, Gaza. Yes, I mean my job for it.
One thing tractor man lazy to jack the plow in the ground.
You notice? You see this land here? A man, a woman, me take do this one.
Oh.
Woman, me take do this one.
Oh.
Woman, me take do this. You see that time me a plant this? No tractor. That too rain did a fall. Remember saying that before? Big rain did a fall.
We know that time.
Yeah, man. Just play with it.
So what other land you going to expand upon?
Like other land.
Like here?
Anytime I expand, man, I go up more, man.
So you still can go further up here?
But you see me right here, so I'm like to pull out some, man. I'll animal everything we can let go.
So if you get support, you just keep going?
Just keep going.
Wow.
Keep going. Don't stop.
So why some of them put it at the side?
Because when me a weed it out,
Mm.
I get out, you put it out of land and show them one side. Yeah. Mad, this is mad out, you know? You know what this?
Mad herb. Yeah, man. Wow. This is what you call Jamaica Good Life. It's not a cooked life. Hot feet, yeah? Big up to man call Hot feet. Big up to man call.
Running. Go for it, man. Advice us.
Okay. Every morning you see the sunrise, yeah. Brother, and them say Jamaica pay crime. Talk to them about that.
No, sir. We work too hard. No here, sir. That's the crime not going about. We're a hard working person. Yeah. Badness. But we hard work with them, man. Yeah. More time I let me do so now. I'm come out of my book and just up on Gar Road. They say we no work, you know.
Oh.
Because them can't see why they behind doors. You know.
Yeah, and police will pull you down
Police
for nothing.
pull we down all for nothing, man.
Because when I did see you, I really did think say you're a thief, you know.
No, man.
That's joke.
This farmer.
That's joke.
This farmer. Yeah, man.
So what this teach you viewers, when you watch YouTube, don't judge the Jamaican youth. Not judge them.
Work hard for our own, man. You see, we with nothing.
Kino work hard. Jason work hard. Gaza work hard. And both work hard. So don't judge them. So you know what we're going to do? These are you. We're go. One day we're going to ride. We'll go over Whitney farmers. We'll meet Mark. And a group of farmers when we come back. You see me? Have a nice, you know, brotherhood farming. Yo, we respect you, man. We hope the Prime Minister I see.
Yeah, when we are
And anybody know the Prime Minister? Send the video to them people there and say, look.
The minister, them are politicians, them are watch things and so come they know we are going. From when now going and we can crack down from when they can crack down.
we not get nothing from the government.
They're not going to nothing.
We have to try to find food.
We can't get, if you have farm for 9 years, them should have subsidized a tractor.
And me have my farmer's idea and I never hear.
I
I never hear no rather. I'm not run down people neither. But then if I have a radar, I just supposed to get
You forget your Irish, you forget one show.
No, but I never yet get nothing for a radar.
So yeah, well, me make the fans them contact me, and you, Jason and Gaza, fans, when I not send donation for them buy things, I not send tools in a barrel, you see, or seeds, right? Gloves, seeds.
want to go to seeds.
Okra, Irish. Some of the seeds where you want, Jason. What?
Okra, carrot, Irish. Well, you know. Them the one you mainly use right now, that one right now. Cabbage, tomato,
Yeah.
and the salad.
Yeah.
What is it again? Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Yes, so we have them right now.
You good?
Yeah.
So them can just sell the money for fertilizer.
Yeah, man, or them buy if they want.
Buy it and ship it.
Can buy, yeah.
But fertilizer can't come on plane. It go on ship maybe. Alright people, this is what I ask you for do. These are the future. So
Sweet potato.
wait there. I feel you over there, so too. Okay, then Usain Bolt to come visit you too. No, wait till Usain Bolt see this. He say, me have a brother. The fast is not the Irish business. Imagine if Usain Bolt come help you plant some of this. And that's when him big car farming at the foundation.
Why you see video how quick they be in our planting a potato?
You see that? A real Usain Bolt that. See the people. The Almighty bless them out here. To stay focused and continue. And you the fans, wanna know what to do. Sometimes when you hear me joke out the thing, but serious. So wait there. So you move too fast and you don't clean the thing.
Just weed, you know? Just spray it out and clean it.
What about this?
January this already, you know? This amount that is supposed to ready.
I think it can't.
And a month also, you know?
No, I already can't see some rest of them.
People. Alright people, this is where the man need help with.
You feel like a ram?
Anyway, man.
Potato,
And them little, if the dirt is soft for them, they're bigger.
Watch it now, you know, look, you know, see top part I just say.
Okay.
Come on, when you start reap, you are huge. What? Now watch it uplift and the root my small and big potato.
Yeah, give me the one as a souvenir. Jamaica Good Life. Need the support. The youth them needing the support. So I'm gonna deal with it.
No, I know even. Me know it's South man them. They grow up, they have a little piece of some, a little piece of some, a little piece of some, a little piece, and then they show another little big piece. I feel them thing, man. Watch out now. Remember, South man them, they have a title for plants, the uplift side, man.
Yeah, we need to help him out with them grass thing. Fans, you need to support him so he can get help. Support the farmers with seeds. Whatever, wanna link me up? Me make the link. You see, the youth them need help. Ah!
Uplifter.
Everything like 4 shit,
Everything out, man. 34 shit, everything, man. So you see, come, we must start going to the drive there now. You see, look so know that.
You know, set the check good and the water come because the road you again, you know.
Yeah.
So that we know how we are walking.
Yeah, mash up too far. One thing say, I ain't hard reading the deeds, so I'm going to hard reading.
Hard reading, come closer than that, man.
You can't plow real land in the rain again. The plow the land in the rain, you know, get we get to the person, I think about fee money and I think about the other person. To get back to them. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. A whole pot, you need help, man.
Oh, God. The tractor man come around.
Well, Bolt, thanks for the 1 potato out of 10 acres.
And the ground not ready yet. Imagine when you're ready inside.
Whoa, I'm not to buy potato again. Just make sure I me put a potato. Jamaica Good Life. And remember, we're going to link on up with the people that want to buy it directly from Uno.
Yeah.
And ship it to Kingston to them family. So it's a big link, you know. Enough people watch the program, and this is Jamaica Good Life. This, boy, much more. Let's look for the cow, right?
So we have a lot of fruit and then the tractor man come in and we have to come pick you up. Yo, what is that for man? So why you going over the Sakana? Why you walk here, Sakana? Is everybody have body? Yeah, yes, I'm mine in place.
Carrot. South Manchester. What the place name again? Blenheim.
Oh yeah, Blenheim and Blenheim Town. Blenheim Town, that no field side. One thing I said, I saw some channel because she have not eating all night. Two calcium. No, I'm not talking with the phone, I'm talking about the soil itself. You have calcium because you have no all night. No, all night, but it's still not breaking. My business have calcium, no matter. How much time you have a land and you see now getting growth, no matter what you do. Just throw some all night, man, and build up your back, man.
You see the most cap? When I use the most cap, I use the most cap and I potato ground. Oh. They say when I use the most cap, we mix up the salt and the most cap. But you can dash.
Just know so I'm come here and bring my kite. Some lemonade and play some music and this is a great tenting. It's about time, you know, can rent the space for campers. Campers who want to come and pitch them tent.
Like over here?
Yeah.
I mean, no, we rent here at that boat, but I can't pitch them to our house.
What I mean?
Security.
What I mean? You have to rent it to the people that are coming, man.
Oh, yes, I'm farming here now.
Nobody now knows they rent it. Guys, camping spaces available, $500 a month. Sharon. Yo, you know something? Would I get
Bugs Bunny.
would I get lost, you know?
Where you get that?
Beautiful Jamaica. This is Bolt Farm.
One thing with afraid of
I have to say Bolton, because we don't want to disrespect the king. Bolton Farm. Proud of them youth, yeah.
New year, you know. 21 year, me not.
This is 2021.
So me no want no foot broke, no, me never get one yet, so me want no broke with this time.
What that?
Irish spray.
Irish spray?
Yeah.
And that's how you touch it up.
Yeah, man, it's unharmful.
Go wash me and I'm gonna do what.
It's unharmful.
I use them.
No, the harmful spray way you know say. Right now, as I do, you have
Yo, Bolton, so when you go over there, so you can see the windmill them close? It's a nice view. Them there right there, sir?
You see, we are returning this morning. We are shot past the St. Gold Charming. We return right there, so we know. We will see a turn back the vehicle. Have a grow the corner, you can. So you want to look at it?
Yes, sir.
No problem. We have the wheel gear set both.
What time is it now?
Look at this. So this will look like about 7:45 to 8 o'clock.
Let's go bring you Bolt for some food.
7:20.
7:20. We're good timing.
Where we gonna be?
Wherever you guys think is best. You know, we need to have a drink and celebrate.
The boat one going up.
Yeah. However, 12 o'clock meeting. You know, so, you know, we shall go up at Whitney, you know. Whitney, Upper Whitney. Meet the farmer, them want introduce them to Bang. You know, forget up there, right? Hey, how you doing? How you doing, brother? Hey, doggy. I'm the dog whisperer. Hey, doggy. Calm down now. I'm Rondi. Hey, whispering. I'm dog whispering. Doggy. Take it. Dog whisperer.
Play.
You know, play.
Yo,
So, you ever let him go? Like in the yard?
Yeah, let him go sometime.
When night time?
What want to do?
Come
Come here, one big thing.
Yes, that's true. Dog no buy for a Saturday. Today a Saturday? Wow, your family ancient. Your family ancient. So one day I come, more meet them and sit down and go and have a. And this is your neighbors. And look at this mountain. Brother, it's a legacy. You have a legacy to continue. Hey man, we're proud of you. Proud of you. Very, very representative of a great Jamaican. You get the 5 good star. So people wanna have to support them. So link me and let's get serious. Alright. Wow. This is what Jamaica Good Life is all about. No handouts. Good morning, good morning.
We are from Jamaica Good Life. Farmer Bolton.
We're a group that travels and help other farmers for free. Or if you have dumpling and callaloo at the house. I am Randy. I'm going to come back for the cooking. So we come interview Bolt because we heard about his great work. And we're going to broadcast him over to the internet, to the world. We're looking for young farmers that's representing Jamaica the right way. And your son is a star. And him tell me so I'm proud already. I'm proud of him because I want to bring on the legacy. Yeah, so we really appreciate. One day we're going to come and, what you like, fish or chicken or mackerel or what's your favorite food? Fish? We're going to bring some fish. Gaza, will you be here for dinner?
For sure as it.
We're going to set a date. Well, it's a pleasure. So how long you live here? All your life?
Not up here. But not all my life because I don't born here, but not further down the road. Up here.
Okay.
But I live up here about 6 years.
26 years. And you also do farming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Farming and my husband do farming and me.
So I want to teach him. Wow. It's a big farm.
Yeah.
Big.
And to hold the land stake, you can do it one tree.
Yeah, he showed us.
To Alpha mine up also. You have to where you can get them soil.
What would you change or recommend the government to do to assist the young farmers? What should the government do more of to assist them?
Like give them grant or so help them more in it.
Mm-hmm.
Give them some grant that they can launch out more.
Okay, like tractors and...
Yes. Tractors and the worker to walk down the grass.
Yes, yeah.
They can help them with that too.
Okay.
Because none of them cannot support themselves. And if they get the support, just go ahead and do it.
Okay. So that's it. Grants and... Thank you. It's more like on style, me know. Them are act like they're not country.
Alright, look for entry. You see how you're a farmer, look for entry about a few one.
So you're not from, your side is not red dirt. Where are you from?
Oh! It is red. Norway, you know, Craighead, Malgully, yeah, up that way.
It's not as red as here.
It is red, yeah.
Just like it?
Yeah, man.
You never take off your shoes, you know, madam. You never take off your shoes.
These guys are crowded, the greatest farmer in the world. I farmed in St. Catherine, St. Mary, Portland, Manchester.
Ronnie, wash your boot side now, Ronnie.
We also farm in Brooklyn.
No, you don't wash your bottom, Ronnie. You rub your shoes on the concrete, Ronnie. Rub your shoes, just throw the water and rub your shoes. Yeah, be catch it, man. Wash your shoes side. No, man. Rub your shoes, rub your 2 foot. Kind of get some more with you, wash it. John, I can't believe say really did not go out. Everything catch lively, you know you can't cut this out. You know you can't. So what you know, use the wash brush, wash your boot side now, man.
You don't like tap dancing.
So wash his side eye shoes now.
Every turn, them style.
Yeah, but that good, man. Watch you not stop her. Just rush off the dirt off of the thing.
You're Jamaican, I tell you.
No man, if you use the wash brush and rub off the dirt, man.
If you don't know if you operate as a farm with a bush.
Ronnie, see dirt man look on the shoes, you know?
Right by inside right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
The rubber just have a shoes, man.
Oh man, I tell you. You guys are so...
You need to use the wash brush like a man.
Yeah, I will like one dirt. Rub it.
You're good man, your shoes good man. That's rubby wash.
No, Randy, instead of put your shoes by your clothes, don't take the clothes up.
No, just rub the butt now.
You rub your what?
Why?
But if you throw water up the
I just have to
come out.
take more than...
Normally I use gravel. But them no gravel.
That's the wash you man. Yes, same way.
Alright, this is a video about the like this supposed to get.
I laugh at us. No, Ronnie, you let us down.
I too scared now, but they want to tie it up with them.
Why you to bring
Some bugs out of here.
you would have problems here with walking in the grass.
All the mag just make him fly. You finish now, man. You finish now.
You guys are... So, you see them clean them shoes and wait for me?
Remember your cane and your carrot there, so your potato.
And they want to see your own clean too.
See your cane and your potato.
You don't see that by two side them.
I know it no one.
The top,
I know
Right
you don't
here.
do it.
inside, yeah.
Yeah, them part there. This is you want one. Yeah.
You rub it something like you have life, brother.
Normally, me
See
leave
my
that.
petite, you know?
Hey, relax some girl. You rub it something like you have
You know,
life.
so me leave that.
Wash the other one. Leave that one, you know. You can't leave that side. That side is good now. Wash the other one, yeah.
I'm going to the town, people are really...
You're not seeing that part.
No, I want them to see the real me. We don't want clean water
Too
boat.
much ice cream curls, man.
We not clean water boat. For what?
Yeah.
My water boat have a clean.
No, man.
Mash up fast, man. Mash up fast. You know what I'm saying? You mash up fast, man. You mash up, you know no time you mash up, man.
As you come out here.
The dirt get rid of the ticks.
Think? I think it's since you're not working.
All right, people.
Yeah, clean now, Ronnie. You can't tap now.
All right.
I'm going to say you still are though.
Oh, nice.
Gold style that you know fast and quick.
Remember your stuff, then, man.
Slippers me wearing at the farm, you know.
Say go there for your stuff.
We did poor. We never have money for water boat.
So you pour it on the right now, you slippers, you don't wash
I'll
out.
be a foot.
Hello.
What you used to them?
No shoes. And you go fast on the water boat, especially in the mud, like the dew water here now.
Tell
No,
them.
like him now, I go fast and I go
Tell
slow.
them, mama.
I go slow, not
Barefoot.
faster.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. I'm coming back.
Okay.
It's a pleasure.
Good morning again. Happy New Year.
Take care of yourself, alright.
Okay, I will.
As long as we are in my power, we have to enjoy ourselves, man. Just say, you don't know who wash foot.
Now we teach you.
Oh, did I leave the fish in the car? I think we can eat it now.
Yeah, not no do it.
I tried to go out last night. Right this morning.
Well, on a rough farmer, man.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir. This is Jamaica Good Life, and it was a great morning. Meeting
Mr. Bolton.
Mr. Bolton. It's an honor, and so what am I do?
I must have a churchy locks. Pick him about this around.
See, now when them see you in the city, you know, Mr. Bolton, they might call you Mr. Bolton.
Yes, sir.
They not call you Bolton, you know.
Mister.
Cause with them that kind of hard work, you say Mr. Bolton. You say Mr. Bolton.
Yeah, we put on the mister, man.
Yep, hey. Because what you do?
True, man. Long time I say. I know say since here I start this heavy farming.
Eh?
I never farm so hard, you know, I do little farming, but since here I start push out.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know? This much.
Mr. Bolton. All right. Yeah, man. We'll give you the respect, honor.
So, I think what I was saying to you,
But wait there, Mr. Bolton. Bolton, you told me that it was Gaza that inspired you.
Yeah, guys, I'm watching the program, you know. Yeah, I'm watching guys on the program. I said, Jesus, man. I have to go push out, man. What? See him Gaza here, man. See me. Yesterday when we see him, man. I say, Gaza, what? When he see me, man, I first him see me, you know. And when me see me, I said, no, you me watch, man. You me watch on the program. I say, yeah, man. I see the same thing me I do, you know, I want the link. I want the link. Look up, I need to come. Have you show what me I deal with.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I saw now, see that everything can happen, everything happen for a purpose.
So if Gaza can inspire you.
Yeah, so me I got inspire a lot of people too.
Yes, and Jason too.
Yeah.
The whole hour now. Hey, don't let me down, you know?
Never. Yeah, I'm at work.
I hate me love.
I hate me love.
You
Me
see
not
that?
do nothing more, me swear upon that. Yeah.
I don't drink out no money and spend no money
Never,
at a
man.
strip club, you know?
Never, man.
Remember, some I'm married man in them boss.
May I talk about them too, yeah?
No,
Me not married, you know. But me that deep in my relationship.
Oh, okay. So so you love your lady?
Yeah,
She support you?
yeah, a lot.
Hey.
She not left me out.
Alright, big her up, you know, you have to say the first name.
I know
Big up Chrissy.
Sorry, man, I know it there.
Yes, sir, Chrissy. Ayo, set him up nice, Chrissy.
Plant early in the morning and do a thing. And so watching I see another young farmer here again. He say, guys, I make you work hard. You know, they shoot out of it.
No shooting can't go on there every day. You're supposed to can't come and look for this.
I feel like extending my time. Yes, sir.
You know it's enough for you.
Yeah, me know, but you know, me know so there's the people who stole the oil, you know, come over here so we look at the beauty of it and then come. You understand me, Randy? So we try now.
Yeah, we're right. Do all the
Yo.
You should get free current up here, so.
Yo.
Right, try cheaper.
Yo, Jamaica. Yo. We don't talk about crime. Watch. I don't have no shares in them stocks, yeah. The windmill stock gone up. We go straight up?
Yeah.
Yo.
But then make sure you pretty up the road.
They say no speeding.
45 kilo.
Warning. Where the warning sign say? Farming must be at
We can go over there now.
15 meters.
Turn go right and then. Look up one.
Alright.
No animals.
You don't go over there.
Sorry, I'm going to drive around the
I want me tired in a puncher.
I'm not too far now.
The Almighty up. This is what you call an adventure. Farming road trip. Over the top here, so. I have to watch my words. Let's see. Brother. Alright, let's do this.
And they have to pull like that. I know it.
And I heavy and breathe. I know I said
Oh. Wow, Jamaica, come for your vacation, link up with boats, come for your vacation. When them come for them vacation, them come for your farming tour, alright? Jamaica Good Life vacation. I couldn't know the man them have experience. This is where you Your farm is where? Where's your farm, boy? Straight ahead. Farm is over there. Yeah. Yeah. Take a shot. Right, Justin. Take a picture of it. Just click the white button. Just the white button. No. Come over here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. They're good. Yeah. Wow. This experience. This is another tourist attraction. This experience in Manchester. This experience, brothers and sisters. Love the country. Love it. Love Jamaica Good Life. Please, I beg you now, support the youth them. Support the program. I want you to take care of them. Please, link with me. No joke business. All my members, pick up yourself. Alright, it's locked. See it. Filmmaker, I know. That's both right. Both in. Right. Yeah, man. So when you want to come on vacation and check out these spots, yeah man, link me. Let me give you the link.